Hello everyone, my name is Marcel from the Key Accounts Department, and today we would like to introduce you to our solutions for power supply in remote locations or with discontinued power supply. Well, we have two product ranges depending on the scenario that we are going to find. The first is the one that will allow us to charge or power our devices using solar energy. Therefore, we are going to install a board and our box with all the electronics necessary for this to work. The other way of powering, instead of the solar panel, would be to connect our device to an electrical network that is discontinuous. In many cases we find systems, or rather scenarios, where there is power but it is only power for e.g. street lights. During the night these street lights are on, so we have light, and during the day this power supply, this alternating current is switched off. In this way we can charge the batteries at night and our devices are working 24 hours a day thanks to the electronics that charge the batteries. In both cases we will have a box similar to this one, where inside there will be the electronics that will allow us to power our devices. Inside this box we will have a battery that accumulates the energy during the night or during the day in the case of a solar panel. It also contains an adaptive pose switch. This switch is very important because it detects the power required by our devices, and depending on whether it is a camera that works 48 volts, it will deliver 48 volts. If it is an antenna that needs 24 volts, it will deliver 24 volts automatically. We need to do nothing, just connect our devices. Obviously the transformer, to transform the power from the board to 12 volts from the battery, and it has heat extraction fans. Evidently, if it is summer and a lot of heat is generated by a thermostat, these extractors will be turned on so that the excessive heat generated inside the box can escape. I will leave you a link to our website where you can check all the kits we have. We have kits both with solar panel and for power supply in streetlight. We also have radio communication, 3G or 4G communicators, Raytech spotlights, cameras, IP speakers, i.e. we have a kit for almost any scenario. If you don't need some of these devices, you can just buy the charging station or the charging box with the board, for example. Another very important issue for this type of devices is the management. The units come with a SIM card included and the cloud is free. We have information in it about the battery charge, that system is operational or not, the temperature of the device itself, information about the switch. All this for free. And also geolocated on a map, so that if we have enough elements spread over different points, at a glance we will be able to see in green if the system is correct, in yellow if there is a fault or any action that requires the device, or in red if the device has been lost.